Ever heard the saying, breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dine like a pauper? It's an old piece of wisdom, but is there any modern science to back it up? Well, get ready to rethink your meal schedule, because today we're diving deep into why breakfast might just be the most important meal of the day. We've all been there, right? Rushing out the door, maybe grabbing a quick coffee and telling ourselves we'll just have a bigger lunch. But what if that habit is actually working against our health goals? We spoke to top experts, and what they have to say is fascinating. Professor Alexandra Johnstone, a nutrition scientist, is a huge supporter of that breakfast like a king idea. She argues that front-loading your calories eating more earlier in the day is a game changer, and she's not alone. Eating behavior researcher Courtney Peterson explains that our bodies are just better at processing food in the morning. Think of your body like a factory. In the morning, the assembly line is running at full speed. Your metabolism, which is the process of converting food into energy, is fired up. According to Peterson's research, eating a big meal early in the day leads to better blood sugar control and even helps your body burn more fat. Here's where it gets really interesting. Have you ever noticed that afternoon slump? Part of that is because your blood sugar levels tend to spike much higher in the afternoon and evening after a meal compared to the morning. A spike is a sharp, sudden increase. Eating the exact same meal at 8 a.m. versus 8 p.m. has a totally different effect on your body. Those evening spikes can put a lot of stress on your system over time. So, what does this mean for your waistline? Professor Johnstone's studies found something pretty consistent. People who regularly eat breakfast tend to be leaner. Lean just means they have a lower percentage of body fat. Why? A good breakfast gives you better appetite control. That's your ability to manage hunger and not overeat later. When you skip breakfast, you're often so ravenous by lunchtime that you make less healthy choices and eat way more than you need. It seems the secret isn't just what you eat, but when you eat it. Prioritizing a hearty, nutritious breakfast can kickstart your metabolism, stabilize your blood sugar, and keep your hunger in check all day long. It sets you up for success. Speaking of breakfast, what do you think is the most popular breakfast food in the UK? If you said toast, you're partly right. It's the #1 choice in London. But for the rest of the country, the winner is actually cereal. It just goes to show how our habits can vary. So, the next time you're tempted to skip your morning meal, remember the science. Fueling your body like a king in the morning might be one of the best things you can do for your long-term health and weight management. Why not give it a try this week and see how you feel? What's your go-to breakfast? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your favorite morning meals. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.